David Bowerly here. Welcome to another episode of Furniture Restoration. Enjoy. Okay, so today I'm going to try to address the question of where you find pieces to work on. People are asking me all the time. And so if you're looking for pieces, secondhand stores are a great place to try. You know, Goodwill, there's all sorts of secondhand shops you can try. Auctions are a great place. Some people are intimidated by auctions, but if you go and kind of get a feel for it, you'll learn. Trying to find good antique stores, even if you're driving around, find the antique stores that are out of the way. Check with family, check in the barn, check upstairs, check in the attic. Always keep your eye out. And some people actually put stuff on the curb, so always keep your eye open. There's lots of places out there to once you start looking, you'll find some stuff. Don't be too eager to grab just the first thing that comes along, and right now is a great time to be buying antiques because they're inexpensive. So let's say you find a piece, and you really need to assess what kind of condition it's in. So say it's a dresser. You pull the drawers out, pull them all the way out, take the drawer all the way out, look at the sides of the drawers to make sure that they aren't broken where the bottoms slat into them, and then look at where they run on the runners inside the case, make sure those are in good shape, make sure they're even all there. That's a big thing because that can get into a little bit of tricky repair. If the piece is veneered, are their veneers chipped? Small chips, pretty easy to replace, pretty easy to touch up or just use some epoxy on. But, warped pieces, really loose veneers on a piece, I'd stay away from them if you're just a beginner. Those are really pro stuff. If it's a family piece, assess it and maybe consider taking the piece to a cabinet maker or somebody that does woodworking on the side. Have him do difficult repairs, and then you do the rest of it. There's always a way to do it and to find a path forward if you have a passion for it. All right, David Bowerly signing off here. And if you learned something, if you got questions, or even if you got an idea for a future topic, just subscribe below. Thanks.